So Samsung literally just launched the Samsung Galaxy A22. It is a 6.4-inch HD AMOLED display device with Infinity U display. Now this device was launched in black, violet, white and mint colors. I'm not sure that all 4 color options were available in Nigeria, but you most likely will be getting the black and the mint colors, okay? The device comes with a quad camera just at the back and a flashlight at the bottom as well. I'll run you through what the names of these cameras are and what features they also compact with. On the right side of the A22 is the volume rocker here and the power on and off button, which also doubles as the fingerprint sensor here as well. Now on this side of the device, it's pretty clean, but there is the SIM card slot and the memory card slot here as well. At the bottom, there is definitely a 3.5mm jack. There is the USB Type-C charging cable, and of course your speaker grills as well. At the top is absolutely nothing, and just in front is the front-facing selfie camera. Now the screen on the Galaxy A22 is glass, the back is plastic, and the build is, there's a metal trim that goes around the edges. It is around 186 grams, so that means it is not too heavy at all. Now that we've done what the outdoor or what the exterior of the phone looks like, let's now go into what the device is fully packed with inside and a whole lot more. The Samsung Galaxy A22 comes with a screen resolution of 720 by 1600, and they say it's HD+, not the most impressive and not the brightest either. This is the maximum brightness on the device. Now with regards to the camera, which are some of the most anticipated features on the A22, the front-facing camera is 13 megapixels and it's got an f2.2 aperture. It's worthy to mention that the front-facing camera on the A22 does not come with a flash. Now all 4 cameras on the A22 have their specific functions and uses. So this right here is the 8 megapixels ultra wide camera, which Samsung says is similar to human eyesight, adding that this 8 megapixels camera on the quad cam sees the world with a 123-degree angle of view, and that it adds more perspective to everything that you shoot. This, on the other hand, is the 48 megapixels main OIS camera, and they say this is probably the most stable camera in the market right now. On this side is the 2 megapixels macro camera for capturing vivid details up close, while the fourth, and definitely not the least, is the 2 megapixels depth camera, which helps you to capture pictures in portrait mode and stuff. And of course, just below here is the flash. Now we'll be testing out the cameras in picture and video recording in a bit. The selfie camera on the Galaxy A22 performs really decently. Look how really beautiful these pictures are and how properly saturated they are. I quite like it. Even the front-facing portrait mode feature performs really well. However, when you flip the camera to the back and you use the portrait mode feature as well, it does not perform as brilliantly as the front-facing camera. Like in this picture, it blurs out my hair. Even though I am the subject, my hair is blurred out. Same thing happens here as well. It blurs out part of my face, and sometimes it comes out looking okay. If you particularly do not use the portrait mode feature, the pictures are not bad at all. Outside, it performs very well. The light is great outside, and of course the aperture allows for just a beautiful capturing of the picture. The colors look better as well, and the optical image stabilization on the back camera also performs really decently. The person who's photographing me in this video is moving almost at the same speed as I am, and look how really great the video is still. That is not bad at all. And now to the macro camera, the 2 megapixels macro camera. You need to be careful when you're using this. If your camera is not really close to your subject, it will not capture it very well. It is only going to give you a blur like so. But if you move it really close to your subject, it brings out the detail of what you're going to capture. So understand that, and the world is a better place. Let's go to the storage and processing power on the Samsung Galaxy A22. The Galaxy A22 combines MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor, and it is either a 2 GHz or a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor that will come with your A22. It also comes back with 4 gigabytes of RAM. That is a ton of storage if you ask me. Now, with regards to internal memory, it comes with 64 or 128 gigabytes of internal memory, and that is expandable up to 1 terabyte with a micro SD card, which will fit somewhere around here with your SIM card. Let's talk about the battery real quickly on the Samsung Galaxy A22. Now, the battery comes at 5,000 milliamp hours, and that is a lot of power. Now, of course, this is not unconnected to the fact that the device is not the brightest or the sharpest, and so the resolution, which typically would sometimes make your device power down perhaps faster than otherwise, the 5,000 milliamp hours definitely stands out, and the fact that it doesn't consume too much power means it's going to stay on for quite a while. It also has a 15 watt of adaptive fast charging feature, which would mean that your device will charge really fast in the event that it goes low. Now, with regards to the OS on the Galaxy A22, it runs on Android 11 OS, and it also comes packed with the One UI Core version, which helps you just navigate your applications, get your notifications right here. It's not stuff we're not used to already, so that is equally worthy of mention. Accessibility on the A22. Now, to gain access to your A22, there are biometrics that you can absolutely use with face recognition and your fingerprint as well. Now, the fingerprint scanner is on this side of the A22, and it performs really brilliantly. Find My Mobile is also on the Galaxy A22, so do make sure that you set that up when you buy yours. So, what is my verdict of the Samsung Galaxy A22? I honestly think that it is a really beautiful device on the outside. I love how it looks. I love the fact that it gives me personally that premium feel. My colleague doesn't think the same, but I feel like it has a nice build. I love the grip as well. The features are very useful. However, I feel like if it were just a little bit brighter, it would have just hit the 5-star mark for me. But because of the range of the device, it is not bad at all. It definitely, in my opinion, trumps every other smartphone within its range anywhere else. I also feel like the Infinity U display, it was giving me throwback vibes. You know, I'm already used to the punch hole design, so that was just, I don't know how I felt about that. But all in all, it's a good device, and it will be retailing for, guess how much? Ding, ding, ding. Are you going to buy yourself one? Let me know what you think about this device and if it's something that you are going to buy. And if you've got any questions, perhaps there was something I just for some weird reason did not touch on in this video, leave in the comments below and I would not delay in answering your questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to please subscribe. If I come your way again next time on TechCity, I'm Belarus from TechCity. So thanks for watching and bye.